Today we talk about a topic that I get a lot of questions on. Mike, is paint pens worth using in the hobby? Well, join me inside to find out my answer. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are talking about, in particular, we're going to talk about the ShuttleArt acrylic paint pen markers. But we're also going to answer the question, Mike, paint pens, are they, do we use them in model building? Well, you're just going to have to stick along in this video to find out my actual answer and my more comprehensive answer of that. So today we're going to open this up. ShuttleArt was kind enough to send me this box. This is their new kit that they put out on Amazon and all that. Link is down in the description down below. Non-toxic, acid-free paint pens. This is a 36, and a set like this I usually call more for primary colors. But again, would you use these on a model kit or a 3D print, or what are you looking at a paint pen for? Well, in all honesty, paint pens come in very handy. Because they are a controlled flow and brush. They can let you work for a pretty good amount of time without having to constantly dip your brush in a paint pot or having to have exposed paint. The marker, it has the paint in it, and it can be closed off and reused again later. So paint pens do have a valuable asset, not only just on the canvas, but also in the model kits. And again, ShuttleArt was kind enough to send this one to me, and let's take a look at this one. Because paint pens, they just have a great advantage to being used. Now, ShuttleArt, their kit here, of course, you know, how to use the paint pen, comfortable grips, all the cool features of these new automatic pens. Basically, you've got ink control color. They put in side slats so you can see the paint in the pen, and just how to control it. Because now we've got a comfort grip where we can squeeze to control the paint. Which is really, really nice. And we've got a really nice case and, you know, long shelf life. It used to be, and one of the things I will kind of fault paint pens for is once you open it, you had to use it. And that was kind of a sucky part about a paint pen, because the tips would get dry and things would get just kind of and they were almost one-time use. I did not like that about paint pens. Where now these days, the game has been changing with different brands. Now, one thing I do like about the ShuttleArt kit, this is a beautiful case. Well controlled, well organized, plastic. Love the little carry handle. Very nice addition to the case and what it's going to be used for. But let's take a look at one of these actual paint pens. Let's get one of these out. Now, I'm going to do some other paint pen videos. So keep that in mind, guys. And you can see this one, it's already primed. It's already ready to go. I love that. I don't have to sit here pushing on it all the time, and away we go. Nice, vibrant color, good flow, good control. That's a really nice yellow, in all honesty. Let's play with some of these other ones. You know, let's take a look at red. Red is always kind of sometimes iffy to play with. What are you going to get? A good, oh wow. How fast and how easy these are coming out is really actually kind of really nice. I love that I can also see how much paint is in the pen. That is a really good feature, really kind of cool thing. Let's take a look at some more of these 36 colors. So we've got some nice tans, off-whites. I will use off-whites all the time, so that's great. Let's take a look at more of these other colors. The blues, the grays. Is that a gray? All these paints are water-based. So keep that in mind. So these are more of an acrylic, not an enamel. But I don't see any metallics. Yeah, these are all kind of just more your primary colors. No metallics, which that's fine, because we got things for metallics. But all in all, this is a really nice kit. And the fact that I don't have to prime or any of that, I can get in here. We got a very nice fine tip. Great for getting in here working. Again, paint's flowing. I'm not having to really do anything to push paint out of the pen. Nice, even layer coverage to my strokes. As I kind of just draw, try to be a really good guy and draw on the lines, Mike. Yay! So this paint kit, actually, for the price per pen, it's not bad at all. So you get 35 pens in this kit. Now, some of the other paint makers out there, I know, you look at AK and all of them, you're spending $5 or $6 a paint pen. And I think, let's double check this real quick. I think these are actually on the lower end of that cost point. Now again, you know, every paint pen has its use. Like the new Army Painter speed paint pens. Those are more of a contrast paint. There it is. Where these are a flat paint. And this kit right now, at the time of me making this video, it's normally about $40 for this 35 pin kit. So you're looking at almost $1, a little over $1 a pin, versus, you know, something like these guys, AK, where this is like $5 a pin. And these are very different. You got to prime them the old way. Even same with the Army Painter. It's a very different pin, very different methodology than what you would see with these and what these paints are. This is a great flat, and that dried really quick. Taking a look at that. So guys, if you're looking for some really vibrant colors, like for example, this red, I'm just sitting there going, I've got a model kit I've been working on of the Battleship Alabama. That is great to put a tape line against the hull and run that down the edge of that tape line to get my even red bottom paint line for that boat. So even these colors would be fantastic for working with woods and different colors, because I can easily kind of control and get into those tight corners sometimes that I might see issues with without having to tape something off. Because again, looking at this, pop this one out. Looking at this, that is a really, really nice tip. I can go heavy, or I can go really, really fine, or I can go heavy, which is really, really kind of a nice thing when I'm kind of just wanting to draw in my detail. It allows me to just kind of get in there and stay well within the lines. Now, I am not a drawing person per se, and I don't really care what this color is. And guys, I didn't even shake this pen. I just went straight to town with it. But you can come in with your different colors, and they, again, for an acrylic, this is drying really, really, really quick. Come in and just kind of put in that fine trim detail, which is really, really nice. So guys, if you're looking for a good, what I would call a base paint color painting pen, go check out the ShuttleArt paint pens. They are really, really happy they sent me this. Again, thank you to ShuttleArt for sending this kit for me to do a review on and take a look at. And honestly, just the attention to detail and the price to value is really, really nice, because honestly, this carrying case alone is a step above what most of these paint pen makers give you, because I mean, that is a 3-tier connects together paint kit, where these guys, they sent me 10 pins in a box. So I mean, it's kind of one of those things. So the question of, would I use these in my model kits and my 3D printing builds and all that fun stuff? Well, the answer is pretty simple, guys. Yes. I love the paint control. I love the guides. A lot of good features. I would use these. And honestly, that's a really good collection and a good price for value when you look over the bigger names of paint, like AK were, like I think I said, I think when I picked up some of these from the hobby shop, these were like $5 a pin. When your price for value right now, looking at Amazon, it's a Black Friday deal as this video goes out. This is $34. So you're not even paying $1 per pin with this kit. So definitely a good value. Go check it out. But yes, do I use paint pens in my model kits? You're darn right I do, because we're going to have a talk about this stuff too later on, and especially these. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go check out that paint pen kit. Again, Amazon link is down in the description down below to go get one. We will catch you guys in the next video.